Tired of stubborn stains ruining your carpets and upholstery? Meet the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Deep Cleaner. Reason 1. It removes tough stains with powerful suction. Coffee spills, pet messes, or muddy footprints, no problem. This cleaner tackles it all, leaving surfaces fresh and spotless. Reason 2. It's super portable and lightweight. Just grab and go. Perfect for quick cleanups in your home, car, or office. No more dragging out bulky machines for small messes. Reason 3. Hassle-free maintenance with the Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool. Simply rinse the hose after use. No more lingering odors. The 4-inch tough stain tool makes deep cleaning effortless. Pet owners, car owners, and busy households, this is for you. Keep your furniture, carpets, and car seats looking brand new. No more expensive professional cleaning appointments needed. Save time and money with every use. Clean on your schedule. Compact design means easy storage in any closet or trunk. Take it anywhere. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or RVs. The Oxy formula blasts away odors and prevents future stains. Great for high-traffic homes and families with kids or pets. Quickly clean up after parties, playdates, or road trips. No more stress over accidental spills or muddy paws. The Bissell Little Green is built for everyday messes. Easy-to-use controls make cleaning simple for everyone. Just fill, spray, scrub, and watch stains disappear. See instant results, no waiting for carpets to dry. The self-cleaning hose keeps your machine fresh and ready. No more buildup or gunk left behind after cleaning. The tough stain tool gets deep into fibers and crevices. Perfect for car interiors, couches, stairs, and rugs. Pet hair, food stains, and drink spills are gone in minutes. Lightweight at just 7 pounds, easy for anyone to carry. No cords to trip over or complicated setup required. Just plug in, fill up, and start cleaning right away. The compact size means it fits under sinks or in closets. Great for renters or anyone with limited storage space. Bissell is a trusted brand for deep cleaning solutions. Thousands of happy customers swear by this little machine. Don't let stains ruin your favorite furniture or carpets. Protect your investment and keep your home looking fresh. Ideal for pet owners who want a spotless, odor-free home. Car owners, keep your seats and mats looking showroom new. Homeowners, impress guests with clean, stain-free surfaces. The Bissell Little Green is your all-in-one cleaning solution. Ready to make cleaning easier and more effective? Click the link to check out the Bissell Little Green now. See why everyone's raving about this portable deep cleaner. Don't wait. Stains only get tougher with time. Order today and experience hassle-free cleaning at home. Enjoy fast shipping and exclusive deals on Amazon Prime. Say goodbye to stains and hello to spotless surfaces. Make cleaning quick, easy, and even a little fun. Your carpets, upholstery, and car will thank you. Join thousands of satisfied Bissell Little Green owners. Ready for a cleaner, fresher home? Take action now. Tap to order your Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Cleaner today. Transform the way you clean, one stain at a time. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.